Hey everybody, welcome back to the kitchen. I normally don't do unboxing videos of gadgets that often on this channel. Actually, this is probably the first one I've ever done, but I had to share this one because I ordered something from Amazon for one of the upcoming recipes in the live stream. And this is the box it came in. I don't even know if this can all actually fit. So wait till you see what's actually in this box. This goes up to my, it's like up to my chest. So I had to, I just got this and I saw it at the door. I had to actually show this on video because I don't know why it's in such a big box. But, so they put in this giant box this rolling pin. And this is a French rolling pin. I've got it because I got a recipe coming up for tortillas, and I've been making tortillas but using kind of a makeshift rolling pin at home. This is what came in this giant box. So I don't know, could have fit in an envelope, but I wanted to show that. I thought that was kind of funny. This is actually a nice looking rolling pin, not very expensive as well, and perfect for rolling out your tortillas or other types of pastries. It's just a maple basic rolling pin. These ones are great because there's no pieces in there, so easy to clean. You can wipe it off. A little bit of damp cloth will get everything off there, and then if you need to, you can put a little bit of just a little bit of oil, vegetable oil, on there to keep it moist. So we'll be using this in an upcoming live stream. But I'm also gonna share a recipe for fresh homemade tortillas, and we'll use this in the next video. So be sure to subscribe if you're not already and hit the notification button so you can get notified when you see that recipe. And I look forward to seeing everybody else on the next live stream. Thanks for watching and have a great day.